In this video, I'll be showing you how to install apps on SD card on Android phone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.
So firstly is the adaptable storage method. You're going to firstly back up your SD card. Then once you're go ahead and done with that and you formatted it and everything, what you want to do is go over to your settings application, then scroll down and go over to apps. Once you go ahead and click on apps, tap on an app you want to move. It could be like a game or anything like that. So let's say I want to click Fortnite. Now, once I'm on Fortnite, all I got to do is scroll down and tap storage. Now, if it's compatible, you're going to see an option where it says storage used. And then all you want to do is tap change. And then you're going to want to switch it to the SD card. And then you're going to get an option to move it. Now, if it doesn't come up for whatever app you find, what you want to do is go over to your developer options. And then you want to go ahead and find force allow apps on external. So just go ahead and find that, and that's going to allow you to basically move any application that you choose over to your SD card. So as you can see, it says force allow apps on external, and it says makes any app eligible to be written to external storage regardless of manifest values. So then what you just want to do after that is go over back to apps, and then all you can do is go over to your storage, and then it says storage used internal, and then I can just press change, and then I can switch it to the SD card after you've done that move. So again, I can just go over to storage, press change, and then switch it to there, and it's going to say export it, and then that's it, you'll be good to go.